Okay, some of you have said that the directions in that HTML file, that web page file, about entering special characters, mathematical characters, was confusing and not very clear. So let me try to interactively show you what I mean. So what you see here on the screen is create a file just like the screenshot that was in the demonstration file. And suppose I want to type something like P and Q together implies R. So if P and Q together, then R. So what the directions tell you to do is something like this. P and is supposed to be wedge, I think. I hope that was right. Q, oh, no, sorry, that was wrong. Wedge is in a different language. Should just be and Q. And then I want right arrow R. And some of you have been typing this and say, well, that doesn't show me what I want. And then you try to click on where it says HTML source editor, which is what the page told you to do. And come on, HTML source. Here we go. And it doesn't really help you. What you see here is amp and. Well, that doesn't help. The reason is because you need to be typing those things here in the source editor. So let me get rid of that AMP semicolon. So now this should be ampersand AND semicolon. That should give me that and symbol. And ampersand RARR semicolon should give me that right arrow. Now if I press save from the source editor, what do I see? I see exactly what I was looking for. P and Q implies R. So when I'm trying to type some symbol, I don't want to type it here. What I want to do is go into the HTML source editor, and instead of what I just typed, where I just typed OI, 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 I don't want that. So I'm going to change that, and I'm going to type instead A union B complement. And I'm going to hit save, and what do I see? There's A union B complement. So when you're typing those symbols, you have to be sure if you're typing those things that begin with an ampersand and end with a semicolon, you have to be typing them in the HTML source editor. Otherwise, it's not going to make any sense. But if you do that, you can make all sorts of symbols that you couldn't normally type on the keyboard. And we use a lot of those symbols, especially in Units 2A. Well, actually 1B and 2A, Chapters 2 and 3.